Hello everyone, thank you for joining again. My name is Taylor and today I'm going to teach you how to read in a Word document using Python. So first what we want to do is create a virtual environment so we can install the library docx. So let's go ahead and open up a PowerShell window if you're using Windows, or if you're using Linux or Mac, let's open up a terminal. I'm going to be using Kate as our text editor today, and we have a built-in terminal here on the bottom. So let's go ahead and type Python space dash M space VENV space and then the name of our virtual environment. I'll name this doc. Hit enter. Now that we have our virtual environment, let's go ahead and activate our virtual environment. If you're using Windows, all you have to do is type /doc/scripts with a capital S /activate. If you're using Mac or Linux, go ahead and type source space doc/bin/activate and hit enter. Now, if you see this here on the side, that means that our virtual environment is activated. Let's go ahead and install our required library called docx. The way we do that is by typing pip install docx and hit enter. If your installation for docx was successful, you shouldn't have any errors like this. Now what we want to do is open up a text editor. As I mentioned before, I'm using Kate. I've already created a file called edit_word.py. And now we're going to go ahead and go in here and type import space docx and hit enter a few times. Now that we've imported our docx library, let's go ahead and create our main function by typing if space __name__ double equals, add quotations, __main__, add a colon at the end and hit enter. Now let's create a variable that will contain the name of our Word document. So we'll name this variable name Word_document is equal to open and close quotations. In those quotations, let's go ahead and specify the name of our Word document, including the extension docx. So I'll say test.docx. Hit enter a few times. Now let's create a variable that will contain all the contents within the Word document. We will say contents is equal to, and then we're going to call our library docx.document. Let's open and close parentheses. We're going to send in our Word_document. Hit enter a few times. Let's clear the terminal before we continue. Now we have to specify the paragraphs within the Word document. We're going to say paragraphs is equal to contents.paragraphs. Hit enter a few times and let's print out the paragraphs. We're going to say print, open and close parentheses. In those parentheses, we're going to specify paragraphs. Let's save this. And let's run this program by typing Python space and then the name of our file. Let's hit enter. If you run into an error like this, all you need to do is type pip install python-docx and hit enter. Once you successfully install this module, then you should be able to run your program. So let's clear the screen. I notice I misspelled this word here, so let's fix this. And now let's run this program by typing Python and then the name of our file and hit enter. As you can see, it returns an object of docx. Now what we can do is read in all the text within each paragraph of our Word document. Let me show you how to do that now. Let's go above our print statement. Let's hit enter once and type for I in paragraphs, add a colon at the end, hit tab to indent our print statement, replace the paragraphs within the print statement and replace it with I.text. Let's save this. Let's go back to our terminal and let's rerun our program. As you can see, it read all of the text within the Word document. So this is how you would read in a Word document using Python. I hope you found this useful. Thank you all for watching. I invite you to subscribe and I hope to see you next time.